Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 by 8? Why or why not? Let us first multiply this number. That is, in multiplying this number, by multiplying we are getting the number that is 8 by 9. 8 by 9 into minus 1 whole 1 by 8. That means we are getting the value 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 by 9 into, you'll get the value 8 plus 1 9 minus 9 by 8. For this you'll get the value as minus 1. Get the value as minus 1, which is not equal to 1. Which is not equal to 1. Right? If we multiply both the numbers, if we get the value 1, then it is a multiplicative inverse. Since the value is not 1, it is minus 1, it is not the multiplicative inverse. Therefore, we can say that 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse, not the multiplicative inverse, not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 by 8. The reason? The reason is that if it is the multiplicative inverse, the product should be 1. If it is the multiplicative inverse, if it is the multiplicative inverse, then the product should be 1. The product should be 1. But here in this case we got the value minus 1. Therefore we can say that that 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 8 by 1 by 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.